What if your lawn could take care of itself? Faster, smarter, and with almost zero effort from you. Meet the Works WR206E Landroid. Vision robotic lawn mower. Built for up to 600 square meters, powered by a 20-volt battery, and designed to think on its own. With patented AIA technology, it glides through narrow paths and complex layouts that stop most robotic mowers cold. It doesn't just mow, it adapts. Multi-zone programming lets it handle different lawn areas seamlessly, while the app gives you full control anytime, anywhere. You get precision cutting with adjustable heights, longer blade life thanks to dual rotation, and a cut-to-edge design that leaves almost nothing behind.
Mower has simplified my lawn routine with its innovative place and play design. The AI and camera system make it incredibly smart. It quickly learns the garden layout, avoiding obstacles and wildlife while focusing on mowing. I love the ease of multi-zone management using RFID tags, ensuring it stays where it should. The shared battery is a brilliant touch, saving me money and clutter.
What do you actually get supplied in the box? And naturally you're going to get the mower itself. You also get your charging station here. And as you can see, there's a little bit of assembly to do here, but that's just clipping these sides onto the actual charging station. You get your power supply. You also get a bag of ground screws. So these ground screws are for securing the base station to the lawn, if you're going to have it on the lawn. You get a spare set of blades in here as well, which is really nice. You've got your Allen key for your ground screws, and these ground screws are also used to secure your RFID tags to the lawn as well, and I'll tell you a bit about those in a moment. So that's your ground screws. You get your user manual here as well, to help you with the configuration and the setup. But as I said earlier, there's very, very little installation to do, if any, on this particular model. And that's what's really nice about this particular robotic mower. And that's pretty much it. And then we're ready to go. We can drop this on the lawn and let it cut the lawn.
Nice. Here's a video of him working. Stop. Right now he's trying to find a certain zone, so I'm just gonna start him up. You can hear him starting to run the blade. Now he's going around cutting the grass. I'm just gonna pause until he hits a boundary. He's about to hit the boundary wire. Turn around, change directions.
I'm amazed by how effortlessly this robotic mower starts working. No complex setup needed. Just place it on the lawn, and its intelligent tech takes over, using a neural network to spot grass, avoid obstacles, and stay within boundaries. The HD camera ensures it navigates safely around plants and wildlife, while multi-zone management lets me define areas with simple tags.
It pauses. Lift it, it stops. Smart, safe, and fully automatic. Curious? Check the link in the description for more detail. If this impressed you, hit like, share this with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more smart tech reviews, and see you in our next premium update. Thanks for watching.